In this video, I'm gonna show you how to show the followers count in your Facebook profile, like this. It's easy. Now let's begin. First, just open Facebook app, and now here at home, go to your profile by clicking your profile picture at the upper left corner. And now in your profile, scroll down and click on Edit Public Details. Scroll down again, and in the details, click on Edit at the right side. Now here you have to choose the details that you want to display in your Facebook profile. Just scroll down and go to Followers. Check the box here. And once done, click on Save. Now let's go back to our profile. Click on the three dots button at the right side. Click on View As to see what other people see when they visit our Facebook profile. And now, as you can see, the number of followers I have is now showing in my Facebook profile.
If you don't know how to activate the follow button here, I have a tutorial about that. Click the video in the screen.